If you wear plastic frames, you already know the move. That little pushback up the nose you do about 40 times a day without even thinking about it. And when your hands are dirty, or you're sweating, or you're bent over doing something, that's when they actually hit the floor. So let's go over these Gecko grip nose pads. I'm gonna go over all the different features of these, then go over a demo of actually putting a set on, and talk about who these are for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. And there's also one compatibility thing about these that you really need to know before you buy, and I'll get to that in a second. Okay, real quick here. When this channel hits 1,000 subscribers, one subscriber is getting a pair of Sony noise canceling headphones. All you need to do is subscribe and drop a comment on this video or any video on the Review Rewind channel, and you're in. And you can check out the rules for this giveaway with the link in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so these are stick-on nose pads for eyeglasses, adhesive backed pads that go on the bridge of your frames. So in here you will get 5 pairs, so 10 individual pads. Each one is 0.6 millimeters thick and 7 by 16 millimeters. So that's the adult size. And they're black, and they come in this little case, and they're made in the USA. Okay, so let's have a closer look here. So go ahead and open the little case that they come in, and we'll go ahead and have a look at some of these. So they're all the same size. Get a closer look here. So you can see exactly what it looks like. There's that Gecko grip. So again, this is 0.6 millimeters thick here, so really thin. So this is roughly the thickness of a business card. So there's basically nothing here. And of course, if you flip it on the back here, you have the little adhesive. Okay, so of course the main feature of these is the Gecko fiber grip surface. So of course this is the whole reason why this product exists. So each pad has about 2,500 microscopic fibers on the gripping surface. And that's not a marketing texture. That's actually modeled on a gecko's foot. So Setex, the company that made these, came out of Carnegie Mellon, where researchers were studying how geckos stick to things. And what that means in practice is it's a dry grip, not a sticky one. So there's no tacky residue, nothing gummy on your skin. The fibers just physically hold onto your nose. And why that matters is the thing that kills every other nose pad, sweat and skin oil. Plastic and foam pads work fine, right up until you start sweating, and then they slide right down along with your glasses. These are specifically engineered for wet and oily skin, and that's where you actually notice the difference on these. Let's have a closer look again at this. Nice and close so you can see. So the other thing that surprised me here is you'd expect a grip texture to feel rough or scratchy, and it doesn't. It just grips. You can feel it right away when you touch it. It just kind of grips onto your skin. And what's nice about how just, the width, how small the width is, it's not gonna add a lot of bulk. So there's no feeling of just something like a huge block, just sticking to your nose. Also to keep in mind, if your frames have a bit of extra room around the nose, there's a 1 millimeter standard. And if you've got a narrow nose or a real gap between your nose and the bridge, there's a 1.8 millimeter thick version that fills that space. So if your glasses are slipping because they're genuinely too big for your face, the ultra thin ones aren't the fix here. You'll want the thicker ones, so just keep that in mind. Also, another related thing, don't stack 2 pads to get more height. They're not designed for that. Okay, and what they'll actually stick to, and again, we'll go over an example of me putting these on my glasses in a second here. So this is the compatibility thing I mentioned, and it's the single most important thing in this video here. So these are for full plastic frames, acetate, TR90, that kind of thing. They will not work on frames that have those little screw-in nose pads on wire arms, and they won't work on wire frames generally. That's not your results may vary, that's just not what they're for. So they also don't bond well to soft touch or rubberized frames. Hard plastic is what you want here. Also, the good news is they do work on smart glasses. So your Ray-Ban Metas, they will work really well for it. Ray-Ban Metas, of course, have a reputation for being a little bit of an awkward fit. Just be careful with the placement on the Meta Ray-Bans because there is a microphone hole on the bridge area you don't want to cover up. Okay, and the pads are a soft TPE material that's ISO approved for skin contact, so no irritation, and I've had no issues with these at all. Also, the thing that I didn't expect about these is they're not just an anti-slip product, they're a cushion. They spread the pressure across the bridge instead of letting the frame dig into one spot. So if your glasses leave those red dents on your nose, these help with that, which is really nice. Also keep in mind they may pick up a little makeup, which is normal, and they wash clean. And on the back here, you have 3M adhesive. It has a strong bond and it will not come off, and it won't leave residue on your frames when you replace them. That's the big thing as well with some of these nose pads. So Setex says to expect about 4 to 6 weeks out of a pair for a daily wear, and that's, a fair number. It may vary though, but it really just depends on like how much you sweat, how often you wash your glasses, and also, the oils in your skin. So your mileage will vary with these. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these on some glasses and see how they look, fit, and feel. Okay, we have our glasses here. We have gunner glasses, so our blue light glasses, a little dirty here. We have a frame, it's that plastic frame, see right here. So go ahead and first use a wipe to clean them up and make sure the area that we're putting the nose pads on is clean. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these on. So we'll take off the 3M tape. Okay. Go ahead and put it right on the bridge. Right. There is one. Push it down a little bit so it sticks. Perfect. Push down on that. It is slightly tedious putting these on. Just keep that in mind as well, because you want to place them just right. Okay, let's go ahead and put these on. And that feels great. They are not moving at all. So these definitely did move a little bit. You can see these are a little big for my face, and they just grip. They just instantly grip. Obviously, really shake your head. Obviously, they're gonna move a little bit, but they have no problem at all. Okay, go ahead and take a little water here and just put them on the pads here. Put it on my nose as well. Some water. Yeah, and they are sticking. It's no problem at all. So these work incredibly well. And again, I just add no bulk. You can see it's blend right in. Obviously it blends even better because the frames are black. Yeah, these are excellent. Okay, then we'll go ahead and take this off so you can see. There we go. And there's no mark at all. Smooth, no residue. So exactly what you want with something you're sticking onto your glasses. Okay, so the grip on these really does work in the exact conditions where everything else fails. Sweat, heat, oily skin. They're thin enough to disappear on the frame as you saw, which is really nice. No skin irritation at all. They hardly feel like they're there. You just feel some grip, that's it. And they come off clean without wrecking your frames. And the cushioning on the nose bridge is a real bonus here. So one thing that could be improved is just the adhesive could even be a little bit stronger. Sometimes the stickiness of the actual pad itself wears out before the actual gripping does. So just having it hold a little bit longer. But again, I haven't found I needed to replace them that often, but I don't wear these all day, every day, some of my glasses. So I'm not needing to replace these, every month, every 2 months. I've really just stuck with one set and had no problems. Also keep in mind that if you, run these under like hot water or something like that, these are gonna peel off a lot sooner. Just keep that in mind. Although I don't know many situations where you'd want to put them in hot water, so you just accidentally drop them in some water. Okay, so who are these for? So if the bridge of your frame is plastic, these will work really well. If you work outside or you sweat, this is the group that gets the most out of these. Lawn work, workouts, hot, humid summers, that's where foam and plastic pads quit, and these do not. And if you do anything with your hands where you can't touch your face, this is huge. Gardening, weeding, working on a car, that's the situation where your glasses don't just slide, they end up, on the ground getting scratched. So of course these prevent that. And again, if you've got smart glasses like Ray-Ban Metas that are a little, front heavy and slide, these work really well for those. So who these are not for, if you have metal or wire frames, and that's by design, it's not a defect. And if your glasses slip because they're just way too big for your face, the ultra thin 0.66 millimeter isn't your answer. Go up to the 1 millimeter or the 1.8 millimeter, so you're actually filling that gap. So in my opinion, if you've got plastic frames that won't stay put, these are definitely worth picking up.